Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman called for tangible action on climate funding and technology transfer ahead of the COP28. India's economic growth is likely to rise at 6.4% for fiscal year 2024-25, according to Standard & Poor's S&P Global. 31-year-old man has been arrested for allegedly making a hoax call to Mumbai police on the anniversary of the 26/11 terror attacks on Sunday and claiming that 3 terrorists had entered the city, an official said. The 54th International Film Festival of India will come to a close in Goa today. The closing ceremony will be held at Dr. Shwama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Stadium in Bambolim in the evening. In cricket, India will take on Australia in the third T20 International in Guwahati today. The match will start at 7 p.m. Indian time.